Namaste bachcho, welcome all of you. Today we have worksheet number 5 of your mathematics for class 8th. Now, today we have some question and concept of addition and subtraction of rational numbers. Let's start. Addition and subtraction of rational numbers with different denominators. Let us consider a situation. Pintu gave 2/3 part of his chocolate to his father and 1/5 part of same chocolate to his sister Pinky. How many part of his chocolate did he give to both, and how many part of the same is left with him? 2/3 part of the chocolate given, it means if we have a chocolate, then divide it in 3 parts and 2 parts are given. This is the 2/3. And if we take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 part of the same chocolate and they take 1 part out of these 5 parts, this is 1/5. Then how we can add this 2/3 and 1/5? 2 plus 1 3, 5 plus 3 8. No, it's wrong. ऐसा नहीं करते हैं. कैसा करते हैं आइए देखें. तो first we have to make some equal parts. What is the equal number which is divisible by 3 as well as 5? Means which is the multiple of 3 and 5 both. What is the least number which comes in the table of 3 and 5? 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15 and 5 3 ja 15, no doubt. It means take a chocolate, divide it into 15 equal parts to make it 2/3 part and 1/5 part of the chocolate simultaneously. Then what we can do? Divide the same in 3 horizontal equal parts and 5 vertical equal parts, because these are 5 vertical and these are 3 horizontal parts. So these 3 horizontal parts can be mixed in this chocolate figure, and this 1 2 3 4 5 parts can make here. Okay. Now we have 15 part in this whole chocolate, and we can easily see earlier which was 2/3. Now we can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. The 2/3 is same as 10/15, and similarly 1/5 is same as 1 2 3/15. Okay. Then when we add all these boxes, we get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. These are 13 out of 15. This is the addition of rational numbers of different denominators. Okay. So in mathematical form we can say, if we have 3 and 5, then take LCM of 3 and 5. No doubt it is 15. Then what we can do? 5 into 2. This cross multiplication is here. And 3 into 1. Then 2 into 5 plus 3 into 1. 10 plus 3, 13. This is 13/15 as same as in pictorial. The total number of parts of chocolate given to his father and sister is 13/15. Now we will discuss about how many parts he has left with. Look at the diagram given below. Initially he had 1 chocolate, then divides in 15 equal parts, then distributed amongst father and sister 13 parts. Then what is the remaining? Only these 2 parts, 1 and 2. We have 2/15 after distribution 13/15. Mathematically 15/15 minus 13/15, because the denominator is same, then we can easily 15 minus 13 is equal to 2/15. ये समझ आया बच्चों? तो अब हम करेंगे सिमिलरली इसी पैटर्न पर कुछ प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन. 3/8 minus 1/4. 3/8 minus 1/4, we can make it like this whole part. Make 8 equal part. These are 8 equal parts. Then we have to take 3 out of 8. 1 2 3. और थोड़ा सा डार्क कर देते हैं. 3/8. This is the 3/8. And again same figure में we can do 4 equal parts, then this one part is 1 by 4. Now we have to subtract, then we must have equal parts. पहले वाले पिक्चर में 8 पार्ट है, दूसरे वाले में 4, तो हम पहले इसमें 8 इक्वल बनाए एक जैसा, तो ये कितना बन जाएगा देखें, इसी को हम 8 में करें डिवाइड, तो 4 और लाइन्स यहाँ से करते हैं, तो हमारे पास ये 8 पार्ट बन गया. इट मीन्स जो पहले 1 by 4 पार्ट था दैट इज सेम एज 2 by 8. सिंपल 1 to 2 by 8. Now we can easily subtract. We have total 8 parts and from 3 we have take out 2. तो इन 2 को यहाँ से रिमूव करेंगे, then we have only 1 part. It means 1 by 8. Out of 8 there is 1 part. In green color it means 1 by 8. Mathematically we can do 3 by 8, and we can also multiply and divide any number in both numerator and denominator. Therefore 1 by 4 can be written as into 2 into 2, then it will be 3 by 8 and this 2 by 8. Now denominator is same, then we can easily subtract 3 minus 2 by 8. It is the same as 1 by 8. ओके, इट्स सिंपल. तो पिक्चर से, पिक्टोरियल से आप ऐसे समझने के बाद मैथमेटिकली भी समझ गए. तो समझने के लिए हम पिक्चर से करते हैं, प्रैक्टिस होने के बाद आप डायरेक्ट ऐसा कर सकते हैं. सेकंड क्वेश्चन में था 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 4 by 7, then 1 2 3 4 5 2 by 5. 2 by 5 means 2 out of 5, 4 by 7 means 4 out of 7. When we have to add, then denominator must be same, or you can say the whole part must be in same division, 7 and 5. Then what we can do, take 7 horizontal line in the right hand side picture, or you can say 5 vertical lines on the left hand side figure. Then both are same in 35 parts. 7 into 5, 35. We have 35 small boxes, and which 4 by 7, now it means 1 2 3 4 5, oh it's 20. 5 into 4, 20 parts. 4 by 7 is same as 20 by 35, and 2 by 5 will be same as 1 2 3 4 5 6 14 by 35. But wait, in question we have 3 by 5, then we have to take 3 out of 5. Let's one more. Then total is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. आप इसे काउंट करें कितना हो गया. This is 21 by 35. Now we have to add this one, 35 parts, equal parts. First this 20 by 35, then 21. Oh, ये तो पूरा कंप्लीट हो गया, अभी पूरा 21 हुआ नहीं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, ओनली 35 ही हुआ. बट हमारे पास टोटल कितना था, अब सारे बॉक्स को काउंट करें. इट इज 20 plus 21 41. देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, टेक अनदर सेम पिक्चर ऑफ 35 स्मॉल स्क्वायर्स, then remaining 1 2 3 4 5 6 boxes are painted here. It means this is the one whole box plus 6 by 35. This can be written as 1 and 6 by 35. This is your mixed fraction. 20 by 35 plus 21 by 35. Easily we can see denominator same. Then 20 plus 21, 41 by 35. And no doubt 41 by 35 can be written as 1 and 6 by 35. Let's do next question. This is 2 by 9 plus 1 by 3. Okay, let's take 9 equal part. Then we have to paint it out 2 parts. 2 by 9, this figure shows 2 by 9. Again same 9 equal part तो नहीं, अभी 1 by 3 लेना है, तो take 3 equal part and this whole is 1 by 3. But if we have to add, then equal parts must be there. Therefore we can divide it again into 3 more parts. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equal, and earlier which was 1 by 3, this is same as 3 by 9. This is same as 3 by 9. Now we can easily count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colored part out of 9. Mark it. 5 by 9. The result is 5 out of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. मैथमेटिकली भी हम इसे चेक कर सकते हैं. 1 by 3 can be written as 3 by 3 because 2 remains the denominator same. So first we have to make same denominator. Then when denominator is same, then we can easily addition or subtraction between the numbers. Then it will be 5 by 9 is the same result. It's easy, very easy. Again, last but not least, Pintu 1 by 2 and Chintu 1 by 4. What is the question? First read again. You have a page and want to give 1 by 2 part of this page to Pintu and 1 by 4 part of the same page to Chintu. How will you do this? How much part of the same had you? Okay. Then we have for Pintu half of the whole part. This is the half of the whole part. And for Chintu 1/4 of the whole. So first we have to make 4 equal parts. Then this is 1 by 4. And adding these two numbers, we must have 4 equal parts in both figures. Then there is a page, divide it in 4 parts. Then which was earlier 1 by 2, now counted as 2 by 4. And this is 1 by 4. Then it will be 3 by 4. No doubt, it's simple. The remaining portion, which is in white box, 1 by 4. Yes, of course. Now mathematically we can do 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 means we have to multiply it 1 by 2. Numerator को भी 2 से multiply करें, denominator को भी. It will be 2 by 4 and 1 by 4. Simply we can add because denominator is same. 2 plus 1 by 4 means 3 by 4. And what is the remaining part? 1 minus 3 by 4 means whole minus 3 by 4 means whole means 4 by 4 we can use. Minus 3 by 4 डिनोमीटर सेम होने पर आप उसे आराम से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. दिस इज अगेन सेम एज 1 by 4. इट्स वेरी सिंपल वर्कशीट चिल्ड्रन. लेट्स डू प्रैक्टिस more and more. See you next time. Namaste.